This chart is just insane. You see all these little peaks? This is quarter four, right? November, December, right around the holiday season. And each of these peaks represent how many people are actually doing shopping online, how many e-commerce sales. So you can see at the end of every single year, there's a massive spike, right? We're talking over 50% more sales, which is incredible. And even just during COVID itself, like in the middle of COVID, right? During March, there was also a massive spike. But all that matters from this chart is that it is the time of the year right now. If you're watching this video in quarter four, November, December of 2024, this is your time to strike, and this is how to do it with TikTok Shop Affiliate. Hopefully you've been posting some videos on TikTok Shop. If you don't know what this is, you're living under a rock, because this is the new modern day gold mine where all you have to do is post videos, silly videos like this, of you just using products, showing a problem and solution, and people are making bank right now. I'm talking literally tens of thousands a month in profit. What worked in quarter 1, 2, and 3, it still will work in quarter 4, but not a lot of these affiliates know how to go into quarter 4. They don't know the strategies, what to actually focus on, because TikTok Shop really blew up this year. I was lucky enough to find TikTok Shop Affiliate in quarter 4 of last year, right? And I'm talking November, December. First video I posted, it just blew up, right? Now, I'm not a god, don't get me wrong. I'm not a genius when it comes to this stuff, but I'm pretty damn good. So what I realized was I would make a video like this, little to no effort, of me just sitting in front of my computer. My dog was like a prop, right? And I'm just like pointing around saying, yo, look at this. It's $120 on Amazon, right? But if you look on the TikTok Shop, this thing is like 60, right? It's only 80, whatever it is. Pretty much just pointing out deals. Now, that is the secret in quarter 4. We're actually going to go through a little PowerPoint slideshow so that you truly understand how to do this. But the main point is all you're doing is indicating sales and discounts. Why? Because going back to this chart, during quarter 4, people are buying so much more. Why? Because it's the holiday season. They want to get gifts for their family, their mom, their dad, their cousin, their niece, their freaking dog. People will spend so much money during quarter 4, and it is proven right here. It is incredible. I mean, this is, going to be e-commerce, a $1 trillion industry within the next couple decades. Right now, I think it's like $200 to $300 billion industry, e-commerce sales. It's insane. So TikTok Shop Affiliate allows you to just take a small piece of that, just a small piece of the pie. So let's dive into how you can make your videos, right? High quality, nice stuff like you would do normally, but at the same time, focusing on the discount, because that's how you're going to get the most sales. Right? If you get 10,000 views in, quarter 1, maybe let's say you get $100 in sales, versus quarter 4, you get 10,000 views, you might see 2, 3, 4, 500 in sales just from 10,000 views. Let's just dive into it. So I made this little PowerPoint. It's all, it's not too pretty. This is, gets the job done. That's all that matters. But here's the thing. You can have the perfect hook, breathtaking meat and potatoes, and a banger call to action. But if the product sucks, you won't get any sales. Focus on choosing winning products with a no-brainer discount. I'm going to repeat that. Winning products with a no-brainer discount. Your bank account will thank you later. It's as simple as that. So we're going to dive into it. It's a 3-step process that you're going to use during Q4 for TikTok Shop Affiliate. You can even use this for drop shipping if you want. But again, before we get into this, if you want to know the in-depth sauce, you want, a ton of video course going through exactly how to do this step by step. We're talking 40 hours of content, plus a whole community that is going to be making money in Q4 so you can share your wins. Check out the link below, TikTok Mastery. Q4 is the time to be there, right? So just join in. It's 3 days free. If you don't like it, peace out. But anyways, let's get into it. So the first step, you got to identify your top performing niche, right? What are you posting that's doing the best on your page? Right, so for example, let's say you post dog videos, cars, beauty, technology, you do all different types of stuff. Which of these 4 is performing the best on your page, right? Are you seeing a lot of sales for the dog niche? Whenever you post dog videos, they just tend to get a little bit more views and, more importantly, more sales. Or maybe it's beauty, right? Whatever your top performing niche, maybe 2, right? Whatever they are, identify them before quarter 4, right? We have maybe you're watching this during quarter 4, identify them ASAP pronto, because during Q4, you do not want to be wasting your time experimenting, right? Trying to figure out, do beauty products work for me? Who cares, right? Focus on what is working for you. Don't distract yourself. It is not the time to distract yourself. So I'm going to get into a quick example of that. For example, I've tested out a ton of different content, right? I've tried cereal bowls, right? These little freaking things. I never do this. right? I'm like, oh God, I was so bad at it. I've tried, car products inside my car. I've tried clothing, like these shoes and all that stuff. I've tried, what is this? Yeah, it's like a phone holder for your car. What I realized is the videos in my car get the most views and the most sales. I mean, if we just, glance over this, like it's just insane, compared to things where, maybe I'm doing like this, that gets 23,000, and then I do it with my car, 1 million views, 200,000, 600,000. And these were just posted maybe a month or two ago. Yeah, this was like, a month and a half, 2 months ago. I've noticed that car videos do the best. Look at this, 1.7, get out of town, man. So that's what I'm focusing on, cars, and then also dogs, right? Whenever I do dog videos like this with my dog, he's like a little actor, it just pops off, and oh my God, the commission on dog products is insane. I'm gonna show you an example here in a sec, but so I've identified my stuff, dogs, cars. Identify yours. Let's get back into this little Picasso of a slideshow we have here. All right, number 2. Once you've identified your top performing niche or niches, find a winning product that's discounted, right? Extremely important to do. If you don't have a product that is discounted during Q4, you are cheating yourself and you're going to be left behind. I said this earlier in one of our live streams. You're behind on the wave. You're a fart in the wind. You're not going to be caught up to date, and you're not going to make as much money as the people that, follow the strategy that we're doing here with the discounts. Why? Because let's say that you're talking about a product, this fire-ass TikTok Mastery phone case, for example. You're trying to sell it on the TikTok shop. Let's say it's only $20 even, and that's it, right? People aren't going to buy it. Why? Because they're looking for sales. They're looking for sales. They expect sales. Because during, Q4, we're talking Cyber Monday, Black Friday, right? That's right around Thanksgiving. You got the Christmas sales. You got all these holiday sales coming up. This time of year, people are in the mindset of, I need to find a discount. Not, I'm going to pay full price, $20 for this thing. No. So we're going to break down how you can actually do this. But the main thing when you're looking for these discounts, you want to make sure it's cheaper than Amazon, right? That is how you're going to get the highest conversions. So if you get 1 million views on a video, it doesn't really matter how many views that you get. Even though you hit that 1 million, it's pretty cool. You might get a dopamine release. You might be all happy and showing your freaking mom and dad and cat and stuff. But the point is, it doesn't matter, because if you don't get any sales on that video, you just got those views for nothing. It's just a dopamine hit, and then you made no money. Your bank account's like pissed off. Here's the thing. If you find a product where the discount is cheaper than Amazon, you're going to increase your conversion rate and you will get more sales. So those 1 million views weren't for nothing rather. Let me show you what I mean by this. So we actually have this little video here that I took. This is what you want to do. This is the sauce, y'all. All right, this is how you make the most money. So go to your TikTok shop, go to the marketplace, and what you're going to do is just type in whatever niche you've identified. Remember we were talking about that, step 1? So for me, it's dogs and cars. So all I do is I type in the niche, right? So I just put dog at the top, right? You might try some different keywords, maybe dog toys, dog gadgets. I just started out with dog, and I just started scrolling around, right? And what I'm looking for is a product that solves a problem, 1, and on top of that, it has a really good discount. So it doesn't need to be, rocket science. Just find something that solves a problem. That's super important. Make sure it hits that. But it also has a good discount. Look at this thing. It's usually 126. Let's go back. I had the burps. Crap. 126 marked down to 65 with free shipping. Are you kidding me? Anyone watching this, that's an immediate stiffy. They immediately want to buy this thing. Why? Because look at that. 4.8 star reviews. I always go for things, I would say at a minimum 3.5 stars. If you can get it above 4 stars, even better. They have at least 1,000 sold. The more the better. This one has 34,000. Some people might say that's a lot. No, it's not. There are like half of America has a freaking dog. You kidding me? There are tens of millions of people, hundreds of millions of people that have a dog in America. So this is nothing, right? On top of that, free shipping, free returns too. This is just all green flags. You want to look for these green flags when finding a product. I think I'm shaking the camera. Sorry, guys. You get the point. So make sure it checks off all those things. It has a discount, 49%. Are you kidding me? The TikTok moms are tweaking when they see that. That's half off. That's incredible. They're probably calling up all their friends. Like, yo, look at this thing. You got a dog? Yo, no way. Check this thing out. I got a dog. Here it is, 50% off. That doesn't mean that this is going to be incredible, though. That's pretty damn good. The cherry on top is what we said in the slideshow. Make sure it's cheaper than Amazon. So let's go back to Amazon, right? This is the same exact one, same brand. Bada bing, bada boom. $99.99 on Amazon. And 9,000 suckers bought this thing overpriced. That's what you're going to say in this video. That's how you're going to make them feel special. When you're making the video, focus on that. 9,000 people bought this damn thing overpriced. They were cheated out of $35. That's $35 more they could have had in their pocket. Right? Make sure you make that clear to them in your video. So going back to this, right? Let's look at the product we found in the TikTok shop. Same exact one. Look at this, same brand. I think it's even the same freaking photo. Same photo too, but this one is $65. That is your job, right? You are the leader. Your job is to find them discounts during Q4. Save them money. If you save them money, they will buy from you. And what does that mean? You get a piece of this commission. This product is 15% commission, meaning you get $9.75, almost 10 smackaroonies for just connecting the dots. You're the middleman, right? You don't need to own the product. You don't need to ship them out. You do none of that crap. All you do is match a buyer with a good discount. Match a buyer with a good product that has a good discount, right? So you are what we would call a discount hunter, right? Sure, a discount bounty hunter, whatever the hell you want to call it. That is your goal. Find things like this. This is so juicy. This gets me freaking going, man. This is amazing. When I see this, $100, but it's only 65 here. This is a winning product. I just ordered it. I'm actually looking right at it. It's a massive box that just came in the mail. I'm going to be milking the crap out of this, right? And I recommend that you do the same, whether it's on this product or products just like this, where you see it's much cheaper than Amazon. Milk that. That is how the elites are going to make the most money. The elite TikTok shop affiliates will make the most money during Q4, while you're focused on just selling a phone case for $20 full price. The top affiliates in TikTok Mastery, my community, we're focusing on this, right? What you're seeing right now, this is the type of content that we do every single week on the group calls, right? We are training affiliate killers, right? Complete savages, absolute beasts when it comes to affiliate. This is what you want to focus on. Now, let's get back to the final piece of this little thing. Number 3, make a video that showcases the product, but focuses on the sale, right? Let me say that again. You showcase the product, but you focus on the sale. And I'll break this down. That pretty much means within 10 seconds of the video, recording the video, within the first 10 seconds of it, mention the damn sale, right? Make sure that people know, yo, this isn't just any old TikTok shop video. This isn't just any old review or product, some random person trying to sell me another freaking product on the For You page. No, this is a sale. They are hooking me up, right? You are leading them and you're also trying to serve them, right? You're serving them like, hey, look what I found for you. I'm trying to save you money. I'm trying to help you, right? Don't go to Amazon like those 9,000 suckers that spent $35 overpriced. They got scammed. Are you kidding me? I found the same one on the TikTok shop for only $65. You kidding me? That's incredible. I just bought one for my dog. He's been loving this thing. Look at this. Then you're showing the product being used, right? You're showing the grooming for, let's say you're doing that dog grooming thing. You're showing your dog getting groomed, right? You're showcasing the product, but you're focusing on the sale, right? Notice how when I said all that stuff, I was focusing on the sale at the start. $100, everyone's getting scammed, 9,000 people. It's only 65 right here. Look at this thing. It works great. Comes with a freaking, 20 heads. My dog is looking squeaky clean, absolutely sexy. All the other chick dogs are coming over to him and trying to get in his pants. If you want to grab one too, I'll leave the link right down here. You better get it fast because these things are selling out as soon as people realize they're marked down $35, right? Something like that. You can make the end smoother, but make sure they realize it's not going to last forever. You got to do that. Oh man. And if you don't do it, I'm going to do it. And I'm going to make all the freaking money. But I'm trying to tell y'all so you guys get a piece of the pie. Like I said, e-commerce online is a $200 billion industry, if not more, right? You think I'm going to take all that? No. That's why I'm spreading the sauce, because I want you guys too, all right? I want you to make some freaking money. That gets me hyped up. Please, use this 3-step process. Super simple. And it makes sense logically. If you sat here and thought about this, like you think about what I'm saying, you're like, all right, this half Asian dude's onto something. But who am I? I'm just some kid on YouTube. Anyways, so that's what I'm going to be doing in Q4. And I recommend that you do the same. I recommend you follow along. And if you can do that properly, right, you're going to see incredible views. And in TikTok, we'll promote your videos like crazy. You will make life-changing money, or as the crypto people say, wife-changing money. with that being said, y'all, if you want to take things to the next level, you want to grow with the community, you want to share your wins, you want to join in group calls that we go over sauce just like this, TikTok Mastery, 3 days free. We're probably going to do, this free trial thing for a few more weeks. So give it a shot. Links in the description. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.